Want to unlock the secret to youthful, glowing skin? What if I told you that the key might just be in your fruit bowl? Today, we're revealing 10 delicious fruits that can help delay aging and transform your skin from the inside out. Get ready to bite into beauty. First up, we have blueberries. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants like vitamins A and C. They not only protect your skin from harmful UV rays but also help reduce inflammation and collagen loss. A handful a day keeps the wrinkles away. Next, let's talk about pomegranates. Bursting with fiber, potassium, and vitamin K, these fruits are nature's hydration heroes. Their high antioxidant content fights aging, making them essential for glowing skin. Avocados are a true powerhouse. Rich in healthy fats, they support skin health and elasticity. Plus, their antioxidants combat free radicals. Incorporate them into your daily diet for a firm and youthful complexion. Don't forget about tomatoes. Their high lycopene content not only gives them that vibrant red color but also helps reduce wrinkles and age spots. Packed with vitamins B1, B3, B5, B6, and B9, they're a must-have in your skincare diet. Refreshing and hydrating, watermelons are loaded with vitamin C, which boosts collagen production for better skin elasticity. Plus, vitamin A helps repair skin cells, keeping your skin smooth and radiant. Grapes are not just delicious, they contain resveratrol, a powerful compound that helps delay aging by reducing oxidative stress. It also protects skin cells from UV damage and improves elasticity. Bananas are a fantastic choice too. With their rich potassium content, they help regulate fluid levels and strengthen the skin's barrier. Plus, their antioxidants fight off free radicals, keeping your skin youthful. Let's not forget mangoes. Rich in beta-carotene and vitamins A and C, they're excellent for skin health and protection against cell damage. Add some mango slices to your breakfast for a tasty boost. Kiwi is another fantastic fruit. Loaded with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, it protects your skin from oxidative damage. Its high vitamin C content stimulates collagen production, helping maintain skin elasticity. Last but not least, apples. They contain antioxidants like vitamin C and polyphenols, which protect cells from aging. Plus, the compound physetin found in apples helps slow down the aging process. So there you have it. 10 delicious fruits to incorporate into your daily diet for healthier, more youthful skin. Remember, what you eat reflects on your face. So go ahead and indulge in these nutritious treats for a glowing complexion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Stay happy and healthy.